Hey guys, this is Anna Ahmed. In this video, I will show you how you can take the backup of your WordPress website in less than 5 minutes. Backing up your website is highly recommended because if you lose any data of your website due to any reason, or you got any error in your website while updating the plugin or updating the theme, and then your website got in trouble. In this case, if you already have the backup of your website, you can easily restore the website and you can get your website back. So for this backup process, I will use the plugin named All-in-One WP Migration. So I will simply go to the dashboard and find out the plugins, click on Add New. One thing is that you simply search for the All-in-One WP Migration plugin here, or if you already have downloaded it from the WordPress.org official site, here you can see this plugin. This link is described in the description below. You can easily download the plugin by this link. Okay, so I have already downloaded it, so I will upload the plugin. Choose the file, go to download, and this is my plugin. I will install it. My plugin is installed, and I will activate the plugin. So here you got your plugin activated. Now you can see the plugin here. Simply go to the back. So this plugin creates a backup file for you, so you can easily download it. Click on it and then you will get your backup downloaded. So here you have successfully downloaded the backup of the website. So after downloading the backup, suppose if you accidentally delete any file of the website, so this is the blog website, and if I have any post and with any reason or any issue you have lost the data, so as you can see, here is the hello world post on the front page. Now I have deleted it and it will disappear here because I have deleted the post, so there is nothing here. If you just simply go to the backups, and here you can see the button restore, but before restoring you have to download a plugin which is ultimate extension of the All-in-One WP Migration, through which you can easily restore the data. Without this plugin, this is the paid plugin, and without this plugin you cannot restore the backup. So I'm here to restore. This restoring process will remove all the data and restore this backup. If you have worked on your website after this backup you are restoring right now, it will erase because the backup don't have the changes. So let's finish it. Let's see if we got our data back or not. Just go to post, and as you can see that I've got that back, and let's see if we got it on the front page. So after restoring we get our data back. So this is a single and very simple method to back up your WordPress website. Hope this video helped you out. If you like this video, do like and comment. If you have any question regarding this video, do comment under the description. Thank you.